Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's 3D the Rap Star, aka it's the Benz Man. Welcome to the channel. Before I start today's video, gotta give a big shout out to Junior's Car Stereo, Fremont, California. Working on my car right there. Good look at the shop. Huge shout out Junior's Car Stereo before I start this video. There's the number right there if you guys want to call. And there's my car right there, getting worked on. A lot of styles to choose from. I always still to this day just like looking at different wheels. Just to look at them. Just to look at the styles and everything. Junior's Car Stereo in Fremont. Gotta come here. I only let Junior's Car Stereo touch anything on my Benz. So right now, guys, I am headed to Junior's Car Stereo to see if they could make some of this CD player. I want to ask them how much, maybe if they could fix it. But not just the CD player, the MP3 player also to see. I showed you guys on a previous video that my little spot for the iTunes or iMusic is a little messed up. So what I want to do right there is, you know, fix it. Maybe it's an easy fix with the wire in. I don't know if they got to go back inside the whole thing and fix everything out, or is it just an easy fix that they could just jump in there and maybe just fix something on it and fix that. But I don't know if I actually showed you guys the other part. I don't know if I actually showed you guys the piece where it's messed up in the glove box. And this thing right here, this little MP3 slot, I never worked this thing right here. So he's saying I need a PCMCIA card. I think I'm saying that fully wrong, but that's what I need. That and then the SD slot, and then there's a way you can go on the computer, put the music from your SD slot into the thing, and after you do that, then you put it into that thing at that adapter and you push it in. Then you're done there. So it's a thing where it just goes inside and then you'll be done right there. So I'm thinking that's it. So I'm not sure right there, but hey, what's up, YouTube? It's 3D the Rap Star, aka is the Benz Man. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram at It's the Benz Man. That's ITSTHEBENZMAN. You roll the windows up a little bit so I can talk to you guys. So I got the music player back. So the music player is back. The music player is back, and guys, this is what I got to use now if you guys do want to know. So I'm gonna talk about this in the video. This is the iPod connector. My car, when I got the car, it already came with the iPod connector, so it was literally this and then the adapter. So it just plugs into the, you know, the newer iPod style, and the music plays off of here under auxiliary. As you can hear it. Let's go. So you just go under audio, and under audio is under auxiliary. So that's where it'll be at. But I'm gonna talk about that, guys. So roughly I paid around $250. So, and that's pretty good. That's not bad, because he had to open up everything in there, which I'm gonna show us a very little clip in the video of me showing I'm opening up and showing you guys that piece of the video where the guy opened up everything. Yeah, Mercedes is so difficult. So basically, you got to take the whole control command unit out or open it just to put the new auxiliary port in, because my auxiliary port was so messed up. So that's what I did after I got that done. So that being said, I paid around $250. Now, guys, if you want to go the Bluetooth route, is going to be roughly around, I want to say, about $500 to fix. It is a little windy over here, guys. That window is, we're right by the beach. Like literally, I'm gonna try to go get some pictures over here and a little bit of video for you guys. But yeah, Yeah, so 250, which is not bad for them. The other one was chewed up, it was messed up, it was all out of sync and everything, so I had to get a new one. So just had to have some music back and can be able to play it when I want to listen to it. So that's the best part for me. Everything is all out. It's crazy, just for the auxiliary. So right now, guys, I'm gonna get out and pop the hood because I seen a little smoke coming from it. One night when I was coming home from work, I just took it to work and I was driving it back. So I seen a little smoke coming from it. So I've been driving it right now. You know, maybe I'm roughly 5 minutes in. I just want to see if the smoke, you know, I cannot think. It's like so early still when I'm tired that I cannot think. But yeah, the hot and cold temperature is still where it's supposed to be on these cars. They actually do run pretty high, but I was just wondering, like, where was that smoke coming from? So I'm gonna have to look into that because I don't really know. So I'm about to probably pop the hood right now and check and see what's going on with that. As I pop, I'm gonna have to see what's going on. I'm gonna leave it running. As it's been running for some time now, so I'm gonna check it out and see. As you guys can see, look how dirty it is. I haven't drove it in so long. Look at this. Needs a wash. Looks pretty clean. Guys, so basically this is not a how-to video. This is more of a what should you do if your auxiliary port is not working. Like, just for example, I'm gonna show you guys. So here's mine's. Like, just in case if you guys got a CL and wondering, here's mine's coming out here. This is my auxiliary port. But on my auxiliary port, on the end, it has this. And that's for the iPod. Or your iPhone. But I don't got iPod, I got Android. So, with that said, basically what I had to do was, if you guys, you see this right here, let me scroll up. Click on audio, and right there, auxiliary. It's right there under auxiliary. So what you guys need to do, put it on auxiliary, and once you plug it in, the port will automatically play. So if you don't have that on your car, guys, what you need to do, if your CL does have auxiliary, I get this question a lot. Like, how do I get my auxiliary to work, or how do I fix it? Basically, you need to take it to a radio person. It doesn't have to be Mercedes. You take it to a good reputable shop, or a good reputable place that you can go to when you know it's going to do your car good. As you can see, they took the whole panel thing out right here. The whole control unit had to come out for them to fix this. On mine, this part was broke. The wires right here were hanging out and it messed it up. And the CD head wasn't working. But who still listens to CDs anyway, right? So that's what I did, guys. So if you're wondering how to get your auxiliary working, or if you don't have a port, first thing you need to do is go have one installed. If you don't have the port, you get auxiliary installed, and then you can use that, and it'll work with the head and hand in hand. And that's how that works. So if that doesn't work, or if you want a next option, you can do auxiliary, or you can do the iPod. That's what I did. Mine came with the iPod like this when I got the car. They come like that, some models. So that's what I did, guys. So if yours is not working, you have to go there. You don't need to go to the Mercedes-Benz shop. Also, Bluetooth. There's a thing called Tune to Air. I get a lot of talks about the Bluetooth. So what you can do with the Bluetooth to get that working, our cars have Bluetooth, but they don't work the standard way. we need an adapter. There's things called tune to air. There's other ones out there where they put it in here and it sync with your phone so the music can play. So that's what you got to do to all that part to get the music playing. So like I said on the auxiliary, the thing is right there where it says auxiliary. So you just play it from that and it should be fine. It should work from there.